Hi guys! So, I'm going to show you the recent items that I bought for myself. So, this is just a short video kasi, ayun, medyo matumal na yung vlogs ko. And, ayun, gusto ko lang i-share yung mga recent, deserve ko to items na binili ko. I've been very stressed and busy lately. So, ayun, buying stuff for myself is one of the ways to comfort myself or to give some relaxation for myself. So for the first items, I got new photo cards of Gemin from NCT. This is from the Beatbox era. So isa to sa mga nasa wishlist ko. Yan. Sa Beatbox pa to. Beatbox album. So, ito, sobrang pogi kasi ni Gemin dito. So, I bought this from Facebook seller. Yun. Dumating siya kahapon. And then the other photo card is from Universe Era. This is the famous Jaemin Mochi PC. So, matagal na tong nasa wishlist ko. Matagal ko na tong gustong bilhin. And I just bought this for a very affordable price. So, yun. Sobrang cute na dito. Kaya, nasa wishlist ko talaga to. Yan. So, ito, freebies from the seller. Kasi yung K-pop photocard sellers, lagi silang may freebies na kung ano man. So, ito, super happy ko as a sticker girly na meron ako nito ngayon. So, I just noticed na ang ganda ng sleeves na ginamit. Yun. Parang iba yung quality. So, I like the sleeves na ginamit nung seller. So, yan ulit, yung photo cards. So, the second item that I got is a statement shirt. So, kahapon din siya dumating. So, I've been eyeing for this shirt for a long time. And finally, nabili ko na siya and dumating na. So, I'm a fan of statement shirts. So, I just love wearing them. Yung may mga nakalagay na statements or parang mga random words sa shirt. So, di ba parang ang cute lang suotin pag nasa public. So, yun. Color black din siya. Kaya, excited akong isuot. And black is my favorite color kasi. So, I really love what the shirt says. It's kinda related to the things that I work on or I am currently working on. Kasi yun, I'm doing graphic designing in my job right now. So, yun, I just find the statement shirt cool. So, binili ko na. So, yun, I got this shirt pala guys from the Orange app. So, not sponsored ha. Pero yun, super love the shirt. If you're a graphic designer, you should try this shirt. I mean, you should buy this shirt too. And for the last item, this just arrived today. Pero matagal ko na siyang in-order. So, ayun, tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. So this guys, so this item is a keychain with also with freebies yon. Wow, cute. So the third item guys is Shane Reterta keychain. So, yung name ng item talaga nung pinost to is Shane Reterta Pogi Keychain. So, yan. This is a fan-made keychain made by UAP fan. Also, Shane Stan. So, yun. Super cute nung keychain. meron siyang kasamang isang sticker na pag nag-purchase ka ng isa. So, ito, same design. Pero, bumili pa ako ng extrang dalawa. So, yun, gusto ko kasi parang may extra pa ako. Tapos, yung iba is ididikit ko. And, meron din siya kasama guys na photo card yan. Siguro ito yung inspo. Cute ni Shane. So, meron sa likod na Returta 11. Yan. Medyo nagusot lang. Pero yun, pwede ilagay sa likod ng phone. I'm Shane Returta biased kasi. So, I purchased the keychain. And, yun. Ito yung first Shane Returta merch ko. Yun lang. I've been a fan of UAP for a long time na rin. So, I missed buying UAP merch talaga. So, yun. I'm really happy with my new anik-anik. So, yan. Thank you po sa seller. So, that's all for today guys for my mini haul. And I hope you liked it. So, see you in the next unboxings. Thank you. Bye-bye.